In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily find your YouTube channel ID on your mobile device, whether you're using Android or iOS. Steps are same for both on these devices as we provide you generic solution. Actually, channel ID is unique identifier for your YouTube account, and it can be helpful when linking your channel to other apps, services, or for various customization purposes. For this, you can open your favorite web browser like Safari or Chrome. Here I am opening Chrome browser in mobile phone. Then in Google search type YouTube desktop and click on search. Then click on YouTube account linking to youtube.com/account as shown here. If you get this, click on your favorite browser. Then log in to your YouTube account whose unique ID you want to see. Next, navigate to Advanced Settings option at left pane. Here you will find User ID as well as Unique Channel ID. You can click on Copy button to copy the ID, and you can paste and use the ID wherever you want. In this way we can find channel ID in mobile, and this works in both Android as well as iOS. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.